possible, make a legal U-turn.
I'm not gonna take an illegal U-turn. Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today's episode, guys, I got this antenna, and it's a GPS antenna for the MK6 Jetta, and technically will be the way this comes really is that it didn't have any adhesive or 3M tapes on it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a 3M tape on this, or some kind of tape, so I could install it in there in the unit. So stay tuned. Hey guys, so pretty much I got the antenna for the GPS antenna for this RNS 510, and I'm going to be installing it today. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright guys, it's time to install this thing. What I'm going to do is with this double-sided tape, I will be peeling this off and then probably installing it somewhere at the top there. And then just all I have to do is plug this in into the inlet, and then technically we're all good to go from here. So let's see. So technically is the one over here. The blue one, which is I think at the bottom here somewhere. You see a blue one there, Sarah? Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
Okay, so this will go. Oops. Go in like so. There you go. And then what we're gonna do is I'm gonna try and take this baby up somewhere up top here. See if there's any space that I could work with in the top. Yeah, I think I have a space over here. Stick it in. Once it fits. Right out. Maybe I'll tape it here somewhere. Alright, I'll just probably tape it in here somewhere. Ready? Just take this off. Oops. Just press it in here for a couple of minutes or a couple of seconds. Make sure that it stays on nicely. That it doesn't fall off. Process, so that's in place. Now I'm just gonna put this thing back in. Oops. Of course I gotta at that wiring in there. It's pretty much looped in there, so it should be fine. It's not gonna. Hey guys, before I put everything back together here, I realized maybe I probably need to do some quick test here, make sure that it still works. I mean, make sure it works in the process, and you just don't want to put everything back and all of a sudden it's not going to work on us. So okay, so anyways, let's wait here, get the map. Takes a little bit longer too. All right. Navigation starting. That's a good sign. All right. Yeah, we didn't have that before. Yeah. With the antenna, it looks like it is at least showing us where we are, and then let's see, go back to map. Navigation, start a route.
The route is being calculated.
Let's see how this goes. Where is it now? Direction. Insertion compass. 3D. Okay, how this is now. Let's just try this route here. Destination. Let's see.
The route is being calculated.
Okay, let's give it a try here. Let's see if it works. So where is it?
Maybe 3D. Did you see that?
Yeah. Okay, I'm not quite sure what to do here. Let me try and reboot the whole system and see. Not sure guys how this works, but I figured just reboot the head unit here and see what it says. Let me just drive around and see if that detects anything. No. How do we start this? Oh, so we start. See what happens.
The route is being calculated.
Alright folks, it looks like given that we live in a environment in the community that it doesn't exist in the map at this point, it doesn't really know how to calculate the road here. So basically I just gotta probably update the firmware or update the map on this, and hopefully that will help. But as you can see, it did calculate the destination that I put in there, and it knows the compass now. At least it knows where north, south, and west and east direction here. So yeah, it looks like it is working here. I just gotta probably update my my map software here to go forward. So anyways guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, time to put the trims back in place, and basically we'll complete this installation. Well folks, as you can see, it is working now. Pretty much I punched in a direction here, and it's just directing me
Continue following the road for 2 kilometers.
to the proper location here, and so yeah, to the destination. So technically here, as you can see guys, it's basically guiding me through the process. The map is working well. So anyhow guys, we'll give this a try, and I'll give you guys an update on how this GPS antenna works with this NRS 510 head unit. So stay tuned. At the same time guys, I'm gonna be doing also the rear camera for this, because it is equipped with a rear camera, and also the fin antenna, the rear fin antenna as well, that will be you know, to enable the satellite radio system on this as well. So stay tuned with those videos coming up on the upgrade of this Mark 6 Jetta. So stay tuned.